I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking. I don't think I can wait. I just need it.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kendra. Do not forget to subscribe, and my OGs, hey y'all. This vlog is gonna be a little different, as you see from the title. Like, I wanna let you guys know my life has been in complete and utter mess. Okay, my life in the last 3 to 4 months, maybe 4 months, has been chaotic. It's been all over the place, and as you guys know, I have been MIA when it comes to YouTube. So this is basically me trying to get back on track, get back motivated, get back into my normal routines, and also cutting back on some things, and also getting back into some new things. And like I said, we will talk about that later on in this video, but as of right now, your nails, girl, my nails need to get done. So we're gonna get ourselves situated so that we can get out of here. Yeah, today's gonna be a little stressful. So I'm gonna get some coffee, then we're gonna head straight to the nail shop. So guys, in a minute. Nothing right now. I'm trying to see what trip I'm gonna do. Not sure yet. I don't know if I'm gonna do. I really want to do Turks and Caicos. Okay. Maybe. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shop, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing mix, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shout at my DMs. I'm right back in, locked in. Shawty got that dress on, so the block is hot again. Think so when I hit it, sound like fuck a ad-lib. Got her ass again. Then she got it tripping off another yet again. Got a nigga feeling like a sucker yet again. Close on my emotions, then I rush and let her in. Okay.
Hey there.
Hi, how are you? Good, good, good.
Shopping for?
Hand lotion.
Okay, like the small little hand creams. Okay. They'll be by 3, get 1 free today. Any specific scent?
Oh, no.
Okay. On your body spray, full size. Right here.
that third trimester. Shift eyes, they tell me you lying. Don't care, just lay him beside me. Hey time, chasing the rewind. Hey time, I need more space and security. I need less voices, just you and me. I need your touch, not just scrutiny. Squeezing too tight, boy, you lose me. Boy, you lose.
Hey everybody, welcome to another day of vlogging. So I remember I told you guys that my car went RIP on me. So right now we are looking at a new one. My friend works at a dealership, so he was able to get me a really good deal on a car. There were some things that I wanted that I couldn't get, but yeah, you know, you gotta take what you can get sometimes, right? So we're about to go test drive like 2 cars right now, and we're gonna see what it's given, and we might be able to walk out of here with a car today, y'all. So see y'all in a minute. Oh, it's on the wrong. So I am about to leave the dealership. I am going through paperwork and everything right now, and when I tell you guys, this specific dealership, oh my god, they have been in there negotiating numbers, negotiating. Like, they put their foot into my doggone loan, okay? Like, they were going back and forth with the damn loan people. Like, baby, the banks did not have a chance with the finance company and the my homeboy who does the who's the sales rep. Yo, they getting me into something right now, okay? Into something right now, okay? Like, they just cannot be matched. Like, this dealership, I'm not gonna lie, like, they had me in and out of this dealership. When I tell you, I've probably only been here about 2.5 hours, and we are about to leave, and they got my rate to where I needed it to be. Got me in a brand new, like, I can't wait to show y'all what it looked like and what it's giving. Oh, ready? Oh. All right, y'all. After about 4 hours, we ended up getting the car, and they're getting it set up right now. So as they get it, they disrespectful for that, right? Anywho, so after about 3 hours, we finally got everything sorted. Everything is done, and I'm about to give y'all a little sneak peek of the car. A little sneak peek, okay? We'll do a car tour and everything else later on, but as of right now, we're just going to go outside, see what it's giving when they pull it up, and there we go. So let's go, y'all.
Straightforward, eyes on the climbing. I decide no matter the
We're gonna
Congratulations.
Yeah. Y'all, we got some kids. And I'm dropping another one. And we got 2.
You did.
Thank you.
Congratulations.
I got bad out here having fun, getting people done. One more.
Look at my baby, you guys. She looks too pretty. Well, we don't know what she is right now. We don't know if it's a girl or a boy. But for right now, she is looking too cute, right? I'm gonna show you guys who made this deal happen. Him and his whole team did amazing. So they got us in and out, y'all, in and out. Okay?
Nope.
No?
Come see me.
Alright,
You know how to
well,
get in touch with me? Just go through her.
yeah, I'll leave the information on the screen or in the bottom description box, and we are out of here.
Can't think it's too hard to process. Get all around you and I regress. On the side with demons I digest.